I told Euclidean distance. So this is a technique which is used to find out the dissimilarity or similarity between the 2 points. So I'd already briefed about this. So again, I'll review this. For example, you can take these are the points given with the help of the Euclidean distance. We know the formula for the Euclidean distance. So this is the formula for the Euclidean distance. Minkowski, he rewritten the Euclidean distance. It was 2 in the Euclidean distance. R value was 2, and it is 1/2 means it is the square root of 2. So Minkowski rewritten this equation. He has taken in general instead of the 2. So he marked it as a R. So if you are varying the R values, you can get the different patterns. So which are used to find out the similarity and dissimilarity between the points. So these are the mathematical equation. These mathematical equations are used to find out the similarity or the dissimilarity between the points, whereas the data mining task, so these are the tasks, data mining tasks, which are used to differentiate or find the similarity between the data. This is what the difference between the mathematical equation and the task of the data mining. I hope you people are making the difference between same concept is same, but they are using on the points, 2 points they are taking in the axis. So where the technology, the data mining technology like a cluster classification, then what you can call it as a association. So all these they worked on the what you can call it as the different data. Set up the heterogeneous data are there. Sometimes we need to find out the correlations. Sometimes we need to find out the difference. So first we will see this Minkowski distance. Minkowski is almost like a Euclidean distance. Only thing is that so Minkowski he redefined the equation. When you vary the parameters, we can get the different pattern of mathematical equation. If R is equal to 1, that equation we can call it as the Manhattan equation. When R is equal to 1, so it is called as a Manhattan equation. So R is equal to 2. As I told, Minkowski rewritten equation. Before that, it was R was 2. R was 2. That's what it is called as the Euclidean distance. So R was 2. It is Euclidean distance, and R is infinity. It is a supermom. We will apply all these values of the R in order to get the different pattern which are used to find out the similarity and dissimilarity between the points. Whereas in the tools, they use to find the difference or similarity between the data. For example, you substitute R is equal to 1. That is what you can call it as a Manhattan technique. So R you can call it as a L1. L2 is a Euclidean, and L infinity is so it is a supermom. Okay, so in the case of the L1, there is no difference between the 2 point. So P1 and P1. Okay, that's what it is a 0. Whereas P1 to P2, it is a 4. So how we can get the P1 to P2 is, what you can do, substitute, subtract the x value of P1 from the x value of the P2, or you can subtract the x value of the P2. This is the x value of the P2 from the x value of the P1, and add it to the according to equation only. According to equation only. So in order to get the 4, what you can do? So you subtract x value of the P2 from the x value of the P1, and add it to the y. Subtract again. You need to subtract the y value of the P2 from the y value of the P1. So this is you are subtracting. It is a -2, whereas this is a +2. So you are taking the magnitude of the -2 magnitude of the -2 is almost +2 only. I will show you in the derivation. Whereas magnitude of the +2 is a +2. If we are adding these two according to the Minkowski equation, so this is what xk minus yk. So first what you can do, you take the x value of the P1 and the x value of the P2. Yk means x value of the P2. So you can get the 4. Like that, P1 to P3. So P1 to P3, subtract the x value of the P3 from the x value of the P1. It is a -3. Magnitude of the -3 is it is again 3 only. And 2 minus 1, it is a 1. So 3 minus 0, it is a 3. 3 plus 1, it is a 4. So this is how we can obtain. So I will show you the example. To measure dissimilarity between 2 points, the Euclidean distance d is used. For example, d pq, k is equal to 1 to n, pk, where p and q are the 2 points, as like a p1, 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 p2, p1, p3, p1, p4. So we are finding the similarity between similarity as well as dissimilarity between the 2 points with the equation called as a d of p of q is equal to square root of k is equal to 1. That's what Minkowski has rewritten the equation. If you substitute, if you are finding, if you are d in between the point P1 and P2 is, so what you can do, x value of the P1, x value of the P1 is 0 minus x value of the P2, its magnitude. So it is showing, even though it is a positive or negative, it is considered as a positive only. So y value of the P1 minus y value of the P2. If you are adding these two, you are going to get the 4. So 0. So this is the 0. And this 2 is a -2. Okay, the x value of the P2 is, it is a -2. Like that, the y value of the P1 is, this is the y value of the P1, and this is the y value of the P2. Y value of the P2. So 2 plus 2, it is equal to, this is a magnitude I told you, it is actually minus. If it is in the 2 lines, it is what you can call it is a magnitude. Magnitude is a 2 plus 2 minus 0, it is a 2, so it is a 4. So this is how we are obtaining the value of the P1 and P2 is a 4. This is 4. So like that, P1 and P3 you can find out. P1 and P3 is a 0 minus 3 and 2 minus 1, that also equal to 4. So 6 you can obtain. So I will show you again d of P1, P4, 0 minus 5. So 0 minus 5, it is a plus 5, and 2 minus 1, it is a 2 minus 1, it is a plus 1. Adding the x value of the point with the y value of the point, you can get the 6. So this is how we get the 6. The difference between the P1 and P4 is a 6 in the case of the L1. Whereas in the case of the